Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to get enrolled in Bankwest Bank online banking. So, let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for bank enrollment and click on this first website over here. If we scroll down, we can see this option called Enroll Now. So, let's tap on this. Now, enter your last name and your social security number. Enter your date of birth and enter a zip code as well. You can enter your username or login ID you want to create and simply click on Continue. Afterward, the verification of the details we have given will be done, and we'll get into the next step in which we need to create the password. Once we create the password, we'll finally get enrolled in Bankwest Bank online banking. So, that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.